Guys, welcome back to another episode of Just in Tech. Today we've got the future of personal banking, one of the most popular cold storage wallets there are in the world right now, the Ledger Nano X. We're going to be unboxing and giving you our first-hand impressions, as well as setting it up and showing you exactly how it's going to keep your crypto safe. All right, let's get into it. Ledger Nano X. Keep your crypto secure everywhere. Wow, it says you can manage up to 100 crypto assets at the same time on one device. That includes Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many more crypto assets. And now on this one, you can secure your transactions anywhere you go using a smartphone or a computer. The last version that I had, you could only use it on a computer, so being able to use it with a smartphone on the go with Bluetooth is pretty cool. All right, let's go ahead and open this up. Ledger. And there it is. Let's go ahead and take it out. It's got a pretty similar external metal sleeve like the last version had that you can just swivel away to reveal the internal screen and second button. And on the side you can see they've now upgraded it to a USB-C port. A pretty nice step up from the micro USB from the last version. Now let's go ahead and take this plastic off, my favorite part. Now before we turn that on, let's go ahead and see what else is in the box. Hello, getting started. And this is our recovery sheet where we're going to write down our 24-word recovery phrase. We're going to talk about that here in a little bit. So they've given us 3 of these cards in total. You're definitely going to want to store these in pretty secure places because anybody that has these can access your crypto. So maybe a safety deposit box, maybe a safe in your house. But this is going to be the only backup way that you can ever recover your crypto if you just so happen to ever lose this device. So keep this safe. And then we've got a getting started guide showing you the basics on how to get started in several different languages. Then we've got a use, care, and regulatory statement, incredibly boring stuff. And then our fanboy ledger stickers. If you really want to look like a winner, you put this on your Tesla. Just above that Apple sticker. No, but honestly, who wants everybody to know that they have crypto stored on a ledger? So let's go ahead to ledger.com/start to download the Ledger app to set it up. Then we're going to scroll down to download the Ledger Live app. We've got Windows, so we're going to choose that one. Choose your install location. Click finish with the Run Ledger Live checkbox ticked. Then go ahead and click on Get Started. Read and agree to the terms of use. If you really agree with them, don't lie. Then click on Enter Ledger app. And we've got the Nano X. Since this is our first time using it, we're going to choose this option right here. Then it's going to run you through the basics. This right here basically explains that your crypto is stored on the blockchain, not actually on the device itself. And this talks about how Nano X is actually a high-tech private key that just gives you access to your crypto. This private key on your Nano is a completely offline cold storage wallet that no one can hack. You can also use this wallet to validate transactions online for the most secure way to buy, sell, and exchange crypto. Now go ahead and click Let's Do This. Now this is going to take you less than 30 minutes, but go ahead and set aside that amount of time just so that you're not rushing this process. Now let's go ahead and get a pen to write down your backup recovery phrase that I'm going to show you here in a second. If you want complete security, make sure you do this with nobody else in the room. Now click on OK, I'm ready. Please be careful, they say. Yes, we know. Got it. So now go ahead and connect the included USB cable to the Ledger and then the computer itself. Now we're going to create a PIN between 4 and 8 digits. Please do something a lot more secure than 1, 2, 3, 4. I just did this for demonstration. Then confirm your PIN. Now on your computer, go ahead and check the box that says, I understand if I lose this recovery phrase, I will not be able to access my crypto in case I lose my Nano. Now this is where we're going to take our recovery sheet to write down our 24 recovery words. Now click both options to accept this write down your recovery phrase part. And here it's reminding you to write these down in the correct order. Press both buttons to continue. Whenever you set this up as a new device, it'll generate 24 new recovery words. Now to ensure that this device was not tampered with before you got it, just do not buy it from Amazon. Buy it from Ledger directly. I'll include a link below specifically for this product directly from their site. Now we're going to write down our first word position in this first slot and click the right button for the next word. Then go ahead and do this for the next 24 words. Don't even bother using this to steal my crypto. I've already reset this device by the time this video was uploaded. Now we can use this left button to verify that we've written down all the words correctly and in the correct order. Then we're going to click both options to continue. Now it's going to give you multiple options for each word number, and you're going to scroll through until the correct word is shown and then use both buttons to confirm. Do that for all 24 words. And now your recovery phrase is all set up. Keep this in a secure place or a safety deposit box. And now it's going to ask you to click both buttons to confirm that you understand if you lose your recovery phrase and this device, your assets will be lost forever. Forever. Never share this with anyone. Ledger will never ask you for it. Okay. Press both buttons to continue. Give it a few seconds. And there you go. It's ready to use. Now click next on the computer, and now it's going to quiz you on your new cold storage knowledge. As a Ledger user, my crypto is stored on the blockchain. If my recovery phrase is no longer secure or private, my crypto is no longer safe and I need to transfer them to a secure place. When I connect my Nano to the Ledger app, my private key is still offline. And now you're already a pro. Click next, and now it's going to check to make sure that this is a genuine Ledger device. Click check my Nano, then click allow on your actual Ledger Nano. Now let's click continue, and now we're going to add some accounts. Let's start with Bitcoin, click continue. It's now going to install it on the device. It's only going to take a few seconds. After that, it's going to synchronize with the Ledger, and now we hit add account. Account added successfully. If you want, you can click on add more to add even more crypto assets like me. Let's go with Ethereum, Dogecoin, and Stellar. And now the quickest way to set all this up on your phone is by clicking on this 3-dot button here and click on export to mobile. Now it's going to give you a little QR code that you can then scan with your Ledger Live app. This app is available on iPhone and Android. Click on the import accounts button. Now open Ledger Live. Go to the Nano X button in the bottom right corner. Then start Nano X setup. Tap on connect your Nano. Then let's select pair my Nano. Make sure that you have Bluetooth turned on your phone, and then add new Ledger Nano X. Select your device. Now on this screen, you'll want to double check and make sure that the pairing code on your phone and your Nano match. Make sure that your Nano is unlocked as they pair to each other. And there you go. Your device is ready. You can now go into the manager and install assets directly onto your Nano from your phone. And here on this center button, you can send, receive, buy and sell, and swap assets. On your accounts tab, you can view your crypto wallet as well as how much each asset is worth based on your own currency. And this Discover tab right here is going to show you all of Ledger's different partners and apps that you can integrate with your crypto. So there's 3 popular ways to add crypto to your Ledger device. One is with Coinify, which they're partnered with. I don't recommend that though, because there's a 4% fee. So the 2 quick and easy ways that I really love to buy crypto, one is with Coinbase, and I'll show you how to do that here. Just create an account with Coinbase and then go into home, and you're going to want to send. So let's send $10. Continue, not now. So we're going to send to an address. So we're going to go into our Ledger app, connect it, and then go down to this double arrow button and click on receive Bitcoin, connect device, verify address on device. And now we're going to copy the address, go back into Coinbase, paste the address, preview send. You can see there's going to be a network fee. Done. So I didn't show you the way to buy it. You actually click on the buy button within Coinbase, buy Bitcoin, do a one-time purchase, and then it should take less than 10 minutes to show up in your Ledger Live account. And there it is. Now, if you sign up with my link below in the description, you'll get a free $10 in Bitcoin after purchasing at least $100 in crypto. And another way that you can get free crypto is by clicking on this 3-line button in the top left corner and click on Learn and Earn. And in here, I was able to actually earn $20 worth of crypto within 20 minutes by just learning about different crypto assets. So that's pretty cool. Overall, today you can get $30 free of crypto on Coinbase. And if you set up an automatic crypto buy on Coinbase of $50 or more, on the 4th buy you'll get $10, and on the 8th buy you'll get $10. So overall, $50 that you can get for free on Coinbase. One thing I don't like about Coinbase is that your initial purchase with fiat currency, although you can trade it instantly on Coinbase and purchase crypto instantly on Coinbase, you can't actually send that crypto from Coinbase for about a week. That's not the case with the Cash App. The Cash App is my favorite way to buy Bitcoin. Not only is it cheaper than Coinbase, but you can send it day of. And if you use my link below in the description and send at least $5 with the Cash App within 14 days, the Cash App will give you $5 for free. So you just go into the Bitcoin section, click on buy. You can select as low as $1, $10 in Bitcoin. Next, using Face ID. I've already got my bank account linked to the Cash App. I'm going to click confirm, and then clicking on this arrow button right here, $10, send, and then I can send that Bitcoin to my Ledger with that same address that I used within Coinbase. So I'm just going to paste that here, click next, confirm your cash PIN, and then here it shows you can do it priority within 10 minutes, rush within 2 hours for a 6-cent fee, and then standard is for free, but that's a minimum of about, right now, now $36 in Bitcoin. Click next and then confirm and send. Done. And that's it. The Cash App is the easiest way to do it. Honestly, my favorite way to do it. It's also been the easiest way that I found to pay back friends and family with cash. And then on the flip side, all you have to do to send crypto from your Nano is you go into this account section, click on the asset that you want. We're going to do Bitcoin, then go to send. Then we're going to paste our address from the Cash App, then click continue. Then we're going to click down here and set use max to send all of our crypto. Then click continue. And then right here, you can click on slow, medium, or fast, depending on how much money you want to spend on network fees. We're going to go with the fastest one. Then click continue. Make sure your Nano is in range. Then click on Nano X. And then we're going to turn on and unlock our device. Enter in our PIN. Then we're going to open our Bitcoin app. And then now we're going to approve the transaction. Cycle through to confirm the amount. And then click both buttons to confirm. And there you go. Transaction sent. Oh, wow. And I even already got a confirmation from the Cash App as well. That was pretty fast. Although the Cash App showed that it received it, it's still not going to be completely confirmed on the blockchain for another 10 minutes. So you're not going to be able to spend it yet, but it's pretty cool that I got a confirmation for that so quickly. Overall, I'm pretty pleased with this device. I just don't like that tedious process in the beginning with that 24-word passphrase. But I guess that's just the nature of crypto. Not really Ledger's fault. Now, Ledger didn't sponsor me for this video, but I do get a small commission for anybody that uses my link. So I really appreciate everybody that uses my link in the description below. Guys, remember every week I do a giveaway that randomly selects someone who's interacted with this channel. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications turned on, and keep an eye out for that each week, as well as staying up to date with all of the latest gaming PCs. If you'd like to learn how to crypto mine, then click on this video right here. Or if you'd like to learn how to optimize your GPU for better crypto mining, then click on this video up here, or click over here for my gaming PC playlist. And the Amazon.com e-gift card winner for this week is
Cameron Sales.
Thanks for watching, guys. I love you guys. God bless.